Hello guys, welcome to RS Code Labs. Today we are going to discuss about set interface. Set interface is the sub-interface of collection interface. Here you can see it is used when you need a collection of unique elements, which means a collection that store only unique elements. It will not allow duplicate values, and it is used for where uniqueness is required, like storing user IDs or product codes, so on. Now coming to HashSet. HashSet stores unordered unique elements. It means elements are not stored in order, but all are unique elements. And fastest among all set implementation. It means HashSet performs add, remove, and search operations quickly using hashing. Okay. And also, HashSet is the implementation class for set interface. So it is also will not allow duplicates, and HashSet will not provide indexing. And in HashSet, elements will be stored based on the hash code of an object. And also here, elements are stored in random order. Let's see an example. Again, I'm creating one new class. Class name is set example. Now I quickly create a main method. So here I'm creating an object for set. I'm importing java.util.set. So here I'm passing a type as integer. Num equals to new. So here I'm adding elements to the set. Num dot add system, and again I'm adding 70 element to the set, and again I'm adding 60 element to the set, and again I'm adding 80 element to the set. So here you can see I'm adding 60 elements to the set 2 times, but set will not allow duplicates. Let's see how it prints. So here I'm printing the set. Now let's run this code. Here you can see 80, 70, 60. Here I am giving the 60 value 2 times, but here it displays only 1 time because set will not allow duplicate values. So set ignores the duplicate values. Here you can see I am giving an order 60, 70, 60, 80. Here you can see the order is 80, 70 and 60. So in set elements are not stored in order. And you can see it ignores the duplicate values. It will give the unique values to the output. Now I'm creating an object for HashSet. So here I'm importing java.util.hashSet. So here I'm passing a type as string. Fruits equals to new HashSet. Here I'm adding elements to the set. So fruits dot add. Here I'm adding apple to the set. I'm adding one more element to the set. Here I'm adding banana to the set. And I'm adding one more element to the set. Grapes. And again I'm adding same element to the set. Apple. So here you can see apple I'm adding 2 times. So it is duplicate element. It ignores this element. Okay. Now again I'm going to add one more element to the set. Fruits dot add. Here I'm going to add orange to the set. Okay. Now I'm going to the print complete set. So here I'm giving fruits. Let's run this code. Let's see the output. Here you can see apple, grapes, orange and banana. Here you can see HashSet. It is the implementation class of set interface. It is present inside java.util package, and HashSet will not allow duplicates. That's why Here we are giving apple as 2 times, but in the console, here you can see it will return only 1 time. So HashSet will not allow duplicates, and HashSet will not provide indexing as well. Here we are inserting elements apple, banana, grapes, apple, orange. Here you can see apple, grapes, orange and banana. Based on this, you can observe here elements are not stored in order. Because in HashSet, elements will be stored based on the hash code of an object. Okay. Few methods are discussed in list interface, right? Now one more method we are going to discuss here. Size method. It displays the number of elements in the hash set. So here I am going to print this set again with adding a size method. So it displays the number of elements in the hash set. So this method is used to display the number of elements in the hash set. Let's run this code. Here you can see it displays number of elements in the hash set. There are 4 elements are there, so it returns 4. Now we are going to iterating the hash set using for each loop. So here I am writing one printing statement here, iterating through the set. Okay. So for each loop, right? For string. Here I am giving string. Why? Because here we are passing a type as string, right? So string fruit colon fruits. Sorry, fruits. Okay. Here you can see this fruits. Here you can see this fruits is a hash set that stores unique elements like apple, banana, grapes, orange. So the loop starts and pick each element from the fruits one by one. So here fruit is a temporary variable that holds the current element from the set during each loop iteration. Here I am printing one printing statement. So this printing statement prints the current element to the console. Here loop continues until all the elements in the fruits have been processed. Okay, let's run this code. Here you can see it will print this printing statement, and we are using for each loop, so it will iterate each element one by one. Here you can see in HashSet it stores unordered, which means all elements are not stored in order. In linked HashSet it maintains the insertion order, which means all the elements are stored in insertion order. Linked HashSet is a class, so it is an implementation class for set interface. And one more point is it doesn't allow duplicates, it will not provide indexing as well. Let's see an example. Now I'm going to create an object for linked HashSet. So here I'm going to pass a type as string. So fruits equals to new, again linked HashSet. I'm going to add elements to the linked HashSet. So fruits dot add. I'm going to add apple to the linked HashSet. And again I'm going to add banana to the set. And again I'm going to add grapes to this set. And again I'm going to add mango to this set. Okay. So I'm printing the linked HashSet. So system dot out dot println. So it maintains the insertion order. So this printing statement prints the linked HashSet. So this printing statement prints the set. Now let's run this program. Here you can see apple, banana, grapes, mango. Yeah, linked HashSet maintains insertion order, so it prints the same order here. Okay. And in this example, one more method we will discuss. Method name is remove all. So this method is used to remove multiple elements at once. For that, again I am creating an object for linked HashSet. I am giving a type as string. So remove items. new. So here I am creating LinkedHashSet. So I want to remove banana and grapes. For that, here I am giving remove items dot add, sorry, so adding banana to remove, removes banana from this set. Okay, and one more item I need to remove from this set. Remove items dot add. Here I'm going to add name as grapes. Now removing specified elements from the original set. For that, fruits dot remove all. So here I'm giving remove items. Now I want to print the updated set after removal. So dot out dot, sorry, out dot println. So here I want to print fruits. So this line represents removing specified elements from the original set, and this line prints the updated set after the removal. Okay, let's run this program. Here you can see this is our original set. Now we are going to discuss about TreeSet. TreeSet is a class, so it is an implementation class for set interface. It stores sorted and unique elements, which in TreeSet all the elements are stored in ascending order. All the elements are unique elements. Why? Because TreeSet will not allow duplicates. Let's see an example. Now I'm going to create an object for TreeSet to store the numbers in sorted order. TreeSet, I'm importing java.util.package. So here I'm passing a type as integer. So here num equals to new TreeSet. Here I'm adding elements to the set. So num dot add. Now I'm going to add elements to the TreeSet. I'm going to add 50 here. Here I'm adding 60. Here I'm adding 70. Again I'm adding 50 here. Here I'm adding 60, 80. Let's run this code. Here you can see 50, 60, 70, 80. Here all the elements are printed in sorted order. Here it removes the duplicate elements. Here I am giving 50 value 2 times, but here you can see 50 value it returns only 1 time. Now in this example, one more method we will discuss here. First method. First method. This method is used to get the smallest element to the set. So here I am printing sys.out.println. Here I am printing the first element. So I am using first method to print the smallest element. Okay. Now let's run this program. Here you can see 50 is the smallest element from this set. So it returns the first element as 50. If you want to get the largest number from this set, then use last method. Let's copy this line and paste here. Here I am using last method to print the largest element from the set. Okay. Here you can see this printing statement is used to print all the elements in sorting order, and this statement is used to print the smallest element from this set, and this statement is used to print the largest element from this set. Okay. Now let's execute this program. Here you can see it prints the all elements in sorting order, and it removes the duplicates as well. Here you can see first element is used to print the smallest element from this set, and next printing statement is used to print the largest element from this set. So it prints 80.